Are you looking for a Forex broker with competitive spreads, stable execution speed, and fast withdrawals? Exness has become one of the most talked about names in recent years, not just because of its aggressive marketing campaigns, but more importantly, due to the flexibility and convenience it offers in real-world trading experiences. But the more important question is Exness the right fit for you? For your unique trading style and goals? Here in 2025. In this video, I won't just list technical specifications. Instead, I'll walk you through each key aspect of Exness, from account types, fee structures, trading platforms, withdrawal options, to regulatory credibility, in a clear and objective way. This is not a sponsored or promotional video. My goal is to help you understand the essence of this broker, so you can make an informed decision for your trading journey. Let's start with account types, an often overlooked but crucial factor. Exness currently offers 4 main options. If you're a beginner, the Standard and Standard Cent accounts are the most relevant. The Standard account requires no minimum deposit, charges 0 commissions, and offers relatively low spreads on major pairs, ideal for trading with smaller volumes. Meanwhile, the Standard Cent account lets you experiment with very small amounts of real money, giving you the feel of real trading, but using cents instead of dollars. If you're an experienced trader looking for lower trading costs on larger volumes, you'll want to consider the raw spread or 0 account. These two offer the lowest spreads, often down to 0.0 pips, but they do include a fixed commission. For example, the raw spread account charges $3.50 per lot per side, or $7 per round turn lot. If you trade 5 one-lot positions per day, that adds up to around $770 per month just in commission fees. Still, for professional traders, that's highly competitive, especially when trading major pairs with high liquidity. The key isn't which account is better, but which one fits your strategy. If you're trading below 0.5 lots per order, Standard might save you more in costs. But if you need near 0 spreads for accurate entries on large volumes, raw spread or 0 gives you the edge. Understanding this fee structure beforehand helps you avoid common misconceptions, like assuming a 0.0 pip spread means free trading, while forgetting about commissions. Next, let's talk about platforms. Exness supports both MT4 and MT5, the 2 most widely used platforms in the Forex world. You can also trade via web terminal with no installation needed, or through the Exness mobile app, which in 2025 has been significantly improved in both UI and performance. The app now supports basic technical analysis, an integrated economic calendar, and full account management, from deposits to withdrawals to renting VPS, all in just a few taps. A huge plus, Exness allows near-instant crypto withdrawals, often completed in under 5 minutes. This is especially useful if you withdraw profits frequently or trade from a country with limited banking options. In terms of funding and withdrawals, Exness offers a wide variety of methods, from Vietnamese internet banking to international e-wallets like Skrill, Neteller, USDT, Bitcoin, and even local payment systems in different countries. Most deposits are processed instantly, and withdrawals are fully automated. No manual confirmation needed if your info is correct. Crypto withdrawals typically take 5 minutes, faster than most global brokers. Regarding regulation and trustworthiness, Exness holds licenses and is supervised by major financial authorities, including FCA, UK, SISEC, EU, and FSCA, South Africa. Having multiple licenses from different jurisdictions signals that Exness is serious about global compliance. That said, it's not a perfect broker. Exness doesn't offer welcome bonuses or cashback programs like some competitors. But in exchange, you get a smooth trading experience, transparent pricing, and high automation. One drawback: Exness's educational content and learning resources are still limited. If you're a beginner looking for full A to Z video tutorials or live trading webinars, you might need to combine this with third-party resources. Still, Exness provides solid basics like fee calculators, margin calculators, and a detailed FAQ section for new users. So, who is Exness best suited for? If you're just starting out and want to trade with real money without big capital pressure, Standard Cent is a great starting point. If you're a pro trading high volume, want ultra-tight spreads, and fast crypto withdrawals, raw spread or 0 account may be ideal. If you need to manage multiple accounts, run trading bots on VPS, and require lightning-fast execution on major pairs, Exness checks most of those boxes. On the flip side, if you're looking for generous bonuses or prefer trading exotic pairs, you might want to compare a few other brokers. But for most traders dealing with majors like EUR USD, GBP USD, gold, or indices, Exness remains a strong, reliable contender in 2025. To summarize, Exness is not the best broker for everyone, but it's definitely a broker worth considering, especially if you know what you need and pick the right account for your trading style. If transparency, processing speed, stable platforms, and fast withdrawals are your top priorities, Exness should be on your shortlist. You can check out other comparison videos in the description below. Or if you've used Exness before, leave a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear from fellow traders. And if this video gave you clearer insights into Exness, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss upcoming deep dive reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.